know many people are having trouble with starting their Frigidaire FFCD2413US Dishwasher? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Load the dishwasher. First, load the dishwasher with dishes following the dish preparation guidelines. Step 2. Add detergent. Next, add detergent to the detergent dispenser. Step 3. Add rinse aid. Add rinse aid if needed. Step 4. Select cycle options. Select the desired cycle and options from the cycle and option chart. Step 5. Run hot water. Run the hot water faucet nearest to the dishwasher until the water is hot, then turn the water off. Step 6. Press start and close. Finally, press the START/CANCELI pad and immediately close the door to latch. By following these steps, your Frigidaire FFCD2413US Dishwasher should start without any issues. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.